Imagine having a tool that doesn't just highlight trends, but also gives you precise entries, stop losses, and multiple profit targets, while confirming everything with live momentum analysis. That's exactly what the Pro V4 indicator delivers. In this video, we are going to break down how this indicator works, how to read these buy and sell signals, and most importantly, how to combine them with momentum confirmation from the Smart Algo MACD indicator to filter out false setups. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this system to spot high probability trades, avoid traps, and trade market trends with confidence. So stick around, because this is where smart trading begins. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So, to get started with this strategy, first of all, you will have to open TradingView. Then, select any trading instrument, whether it's a stock, cryptocurrency pair, or any other asset. Next, you will click on this Indicators tab here and search for the Pro V4 indicator, and it is this one by Smart Algo. Now, since this is a premium indicator, you will not see it appear directly here in the search results. This is because you do not currently have access to the indicator. So, just click the link in the description below to visit the Smart Algo trading platform, where you can gain access to the indicator just like I have here. And after that, you will click on it to add the indicator to the chart. Now, the first thing you will notice on the chart are the reversal clouds, which are these red and green bands. The red band above the price acts as a resistance zone, while the blue band below acts as a support zone. These reversal clouds help you instantly spot potential reversal points. It's a simple and effective way to stay aligned with the market trend. After the reversal cloud, you will also notice the buy and sell signals. The blue upward arrow signals a potential buy entry, and the red downward arrow signals a potential sell entry. What makes these signals powerful is that they aren't just based on one condition. They're backed by trend detection, volatility analysis, and momentum shifts, giving them a much higher probability compared to simple signal indicators. Now, if you want to manage your trades more efficiently, the indicator also prints out an entry level, a stop loss, and up to 3 take-profit targets whenever a signal appears. This makes the indicator extremely beginner-friendly because you don't need to manually calculate risk or targets. The indicator lays out a full trading plan directly on your chart. We also have the channel breaks, which also acts as dynamic support and resistance levels, just like the reversal clouds. The red bars above represent resistance levels, indicating a potential area of price reversal to the downside, while the green bars below represent support levels, indicating a potential area of price reversal to the upside. And finally, on the right-hand side, you will also see a quick stats panel. This shows you the strength, the volume, the volatility, and the trend. This panel acts as a quick confirmation tool before you take any trade. If everything lines up in your favor, then it's a green light. So, now that we have covered the different parts of the indicator, let's go to the settings of the indicator to see how we can modify some of them to improve the effectiveness of the indicator. Now, here on the input section, for this AI classifier type, we have 3 options to choose from, but we are going to stick with the advanced type. Then for the signal sensitivity, we will change it to 3 and leave this signal calibration to the default. The trading type will be left at scalp, but you can choose swing if you wish to go with swing trading. Then, for the candle coloring, I'm going to choose none. When you come down to this place, for the dashboard, I'm going to leave it unchecked, since I won't be using it for the strategy. And I will go with channel breaks instead of reversal clouds. And finally, for the manager type, I will change it to dynamic, and then uncheck this fill areas and the exits. Then, after that, I will click OK. Now, here's how we use this indicator with channel break setup. First, you will have to wait for the price to pull back into any of these channels, either this lower channel or the upper one, and then you will wait to see if the indicator will give you a signal to enter the market. Here, the price pulled back into this lower green channel, printed by the indicator, and the indicator also printed a buy signal. And you could be considering to place a long trade here. Here's another one. you can see that the price went up into the upper red channel, and when the price tried reversing, you got a sell signal. And this could have been a valid time to take a short trade. But here's the thing. For the strategy to work perfectly, we need to add a momentum indicator, and that will be the Smart Algo MACD indicator. So we will just go back to the Indicators tab and add it to the chart. If you want to get these two Smart Algo indicators, there's a link in the description to their website. Now, this Smart Algo MACD will help us with momentum confirmation. So, when the MACD bars are blue, the momentum is bullish, and when the bars are red, the momentum is bearish. Now, let's go ahead to the settings and customize the indicator to fit our strategy. Here on the Input tab, we will just change this fast length to 9, then the slow length to 14, and then click OK. So, this MACD indicator is extremely useful for filtering signals. For example, if you get a buy signal on the chart, but the MACD is still red, you might want to wait. But if the MACD turns blue at the same time, it's a strong confirmation that momentum is aligning with the trade. Now let's look at some real chart examples to see how this strategy plays out with these indicators. So here, you can see that there was not much momentum on price movement. But then, when price pulled into this lower green channel and tried to spike up, the Pro V4 indicator printed this buy signal. Then, coming down here to check the MACD bars, you can see that the MACD indicator has also started printing these bullish histograms, corresponding with the bullish signal from the Pro V4 indicator. And because of these confirmations, we will place a buy entry at the close of this bullish candle and set our stop loss at this low here. Then, extend our profit target just above this upper red channel, giving a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now, letting the trade play out, you can see that price pushed up to our target, resulting in a profitable trade. Let's look at a bearish example. On this chart, you can see that price pulled up to this upper red channel, probably because of this buy signal down here, and then when price shifted momentum to the downside, the Pro V4 printed this sell signal here. And to confirm this sell signal, we will go down to the Smart Algo MACD. And looking at the MACD, you will see that the histograms are changing from the bullish to bearish histograms, confirming the sell signal from the Pro V4 indicator. And because of these confluences, we will place a sell entry at the close of this bearish candle. Set our stop loss at this high and extend our profit target below this lower green channel, giving a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Then, watching the trade play out, you can see how price pushed downwards, hitting our profit target and giving us a winning trade. So you can see that the strategy is simple and very effective if applied correctly. So, if you want to get these two Smart Algo indicators, remember to check the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, also subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed whenever we make new videos.